gusto, sisig. Very cute, guys.
I know.
Oh.
Hindi masyado. So, dapat malipong ba to?
Reba.
Correct. Everyone, it's morning. It's 6:07 in the morning, you guys. And we're going home. Totoo ba?
Mag-go ko ba yun?
Sir, pwede po bang makibili ng ano?
Sir, pwede po ba tayo
Mag-pass by 7-Eleven.
like,
Mag-pass by.
number like, for the 7-Eleven.
Kung may madaanan tayo.
Apo, sige po.
Okay lang po ba yan? May bibili na.
Yes.
Like,
Watching from US. Yes, hello there, you guys. I'm with my BFF. It's Belatan. Just kind of crazy right now, but yeah. It's always been like that,
crazy
so.
people, hello. Naruena ba yun?
Good morning. Yeah, exam ko later. Isang good luck naman dyan, Kiana. Good luck and
Okay.
don't fuck it up. Try not to be. It's not always about being perfect. It's always about knowing what you do and what's your purpose. And di ba sometimes pag alam natin yung sagot pero yung sinasabi ng natin, yung kutob, dapat susundin nyo lagi yung kutob nyo. Bella, what is kutob in Tagalog?
Kutob is all about the thing that we must feel. Like, kutob in yourself. Like, ang tawag doon? Endeavor.
Yeah, endeavor. Because kutob is what?
Kutob is what? Kutobame is not just about the physical, but it's all about the internal.
Aww.
You should feel the feel on how the kutob is. Like, mafe-feel mo siya pag di mo siya na-feel. Gets mo ba?
What the fuck?
Mafe-feel mo siya pag di mo siya na-feel. Like, indifferent style lang in life. Like, dumarating lang siya sa'yo pag nafe-feel mo siya talaga. And that is what is that? Endeavor.
Thank you so much, Miss Belatan, for that wonderful one woman empowerment speech. Thank you so much. So now, ang mga tinatanong ng mga tao, ano mga tinatanong nila? Asa Kaki, I'm at the moment in a car going home. Yes, mag-visit ako ulit sa Davao, guys, so don't you worry. I will be there anytime, anywhere. Alam niyo, pag mag-show ako, I always tell this to everyone that if mag-show ako somewhere, I don't want them to expect anything. I just want them to enjoy. Because drag is fun. Kasi yung mga ibang audience kasi may mga in-expect na towards me and towards other queens. So, kumbaga, meron na silang, anong tawag doon, Bel? Meron na silang,
Meron na silang expectations.
expectations, yes. Kumbaga, meron na silang expectations towards every queen. For me, you always have to be, what do you call this?
Ano lang, pag meron kayong got na queen, or may new queens kayong mga nakilala, you should know them more.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, kailangan nyo lang talaga silang i-explore more than as they are.
Yeah.
Kasi makikita nyo na sila.
Basta anytime that I perform or someone performs, please do get off your chest ang pagkakaroon ng expectation.
Oo. Kasi there's a lot of...
Alam mo, sometimes you have to enjoy something that is there. Kumbaga, hindi mo dapat in-expect na something. Dapat kailangan mo siyang i-enjoy at the moment.
Never mo i-expect na magaling ka this time. And never mo din i-expect na loser ka this time.
Yes, may point.
It's all about the enjoying this time. It's all about the matters of the people kung magustuhan ba nila yung performance mo or no. Gets mo ba? Kasi
Yeah, gets.
kung ako, or ikaw, kung ako ikaw, magpa-perform ako, gagawin ko kung anong gusto ko. It depends on you kung bet mo ba or hindi.
Oh my God, may nag-comment, huwag na nga to, ibang comment siya, so, I will not, further updo, negativity in my page.
Black na yan. Black na yan yung mga
Negativity.
Wala na yun. Ano na lang.
Oh, go. Bella, buy something. Do you have cash?
I'm gonna.
Thank you, Kuya.
Nothing at all. Melia, this is Korea.
Good morning, everyone. My BFF is trying to have the best time of her life. Look at her. Look at her being a licker. I'm just trying to buy Rebecca. You know what Rebecca is? Naka-grab po ako, sir, no? No, it's Bellatan. Thank you so much. Look at her. Smiling and all. What the heck? Okay na po, kuya. Let's go po. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Hala, nag-live ko pa ba?
Yes, I'm still live right now.
Hey, live right now? You're still?
Yeah, I'm still live.
Malapit na kami sa bahay, everyone. Sana kayo ay nakasleep ng very well ngayon. Tapos, kung hindi pa kayo nakatulog, same as we do, matulog na kayo. Kasi kami wala pa. Asa ka naman?
I'm live at IG.
Kiana.
Yeah, Kenna with the K.
Ah,
What does ha means?
shit ko tawag mo.
Of course. Very, very nice. Hello po, good morning. Come to Italy. No, it's Ireland. Ireland. You know what? If I have much money than ever expected after coming on station, I would be there anytime, my love.
Wala na ko na pero guys, kinaman din.
Okay, go. Carry lang.
Then, pwede po yung marip.
Yeah. I don't know, some misconceptions about being someone in Slation Royale. They really thought that we have a lot of money. But in reality, it's not much, so I don't know what you're talking about, you guys. It's not that big. Well, it is, but in peso, it's not. It's not. Bella, what are you doing?
I'm sorry. I'm doing very well. Good morning, everyone. I think you should take your breakfast
Because
right now.
breakfast is what?
Breakfast is the most important of the break. Not just for the fast food, but it's all about the taking care of the goods, which is the break.
Okay, thank
Gets
you.
niyo ba?
Yes, gets.
For a commonwealth na lang to
Hey,
say
comment po.
that the break in the fast can be called breakfast. So it's just more than as a morning routine. Para kayo ay malusog.
What the fuck?
Wait lang.
Mm.
Kayo ay malusog.
Tapos,
Kayo maligasig.
at,
At maagahin. Mag-work. So we can achieve
La Nino. Yawa. I miss you too.
Hoy, wag kayong mag-I miss you kung wala kayong bonding.
Hi, Anton.
What if mag-I miss you ako sa kanya tapos hindi kami
Guys, shout out kay Anthony. Please follow him. He's one of the best DJs here in Manila, in northern Mindanao, charis, in Manila. So please follow him. He's very good. Show some love.
And Jason P.
Uy.
Everyone, good
Hi,
morning.
Ki. Can you greet me today? It's my birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
Happy birthday today.
to you. Sino pa?
You're glowing, babe. I don't know. It's the sperm.
Basta happy birthday kung sino ka man. Hindi ka kilala ng pamilya ko, pero
Hala, si Lolo. Nag-jogging siya, bis abas.
because she is what?
Stunning.
Panther.
Tower A. Thank you.
Wala na yung life best.
I would change.
Kuya, thank you so much.
Kuya, add mo na lang yung ano.
Paano i-add?
Pag-add ka na lang ng tip mo.
Ang Red Horse?
Hindi ko alam siya kung magkano yung add ko eh. Dito pa?
Yes po. Kahit ano po, 100 po. Add niyo po 100.
Okay lang, sir.
Yes po. Tingnan natin kung kaya pa.
Kung hindi na
Kaya ba?
kuya, wag
Inad ko na, sir.
Sige daw.
Okay naman po.
Baka biglang wala.
Okay na po.
Ayun.
Thank you.
Okay na po.
Thank you, kuya. For driving us safe.
Uy, mo cellphone mo pa.
Dito. Thank you, kuya. Ingat po. God bless. Dan.
Oy, good morning everyone.
What do you say?
Oh,
Wait lang. Let's pose for everyone. Look at the sky, Bella.
look at the sky.
Isn't this neat?
Pictures, collections complete. The girl who has everything. Oh,
Good morning po.
wonderful yan. Bye-bye everyone.
So, we won't be having any signal after this video.
Alam niyo,